The clacking of the wheels on the tracks created a natural rhythm. A kind of open-ended boogie that dug right into my soul. I couldn't resist the swaying of the train, the motion of the carriage, and the pounding of the wheels on the tracks. I pulled out my harmonica, slumped down in my seat, and played a few quiet chords that blended in with the whooshing sound of the locomotive. The notes rode over the rhythm as the train rose and dipped over the rolling plains. The melody built in little waves, lapping up against an ocean of sand that stretched to the horizon. The rods and pistons laid down an incessant beat that shook through the furnace and right down the spine of the train. The valves pounded like a drummer gone mad. The wheels clanked like hi-hats. The boiler groaned out the bass, and I leaned back and blasted out a staccato run that echoed off the walls of the carriage and straight into the heart of the engine. I bent the notes through the cylinders and condensers, the pumps and injectors, the springs and regulators. I twisted them and pushed them and squeezed them and caressed them. And then the engineer chimed in with a piercing whistle, and the wheels clacked against the tracks with a steady 4/4 beat. The rims clanked against the rails with a twang and a clang. The coupling shook with an echoing tremolo. The notes pushed and stretched against the roof. Look out that window. Look at those mountains. It's the mountains of America stretching from the lakes to the deserts. It's a jazzy bebop riff of undulating crests and valleys. An endless horizon that rises and falls to the beat of the universe. I tell you, man, I can hear it. I can hear saxophones in those mountains. Bop, dip, bop, they're off on a wild solo. They're tossing tossing boulders off the peaks, big volcanic explosions burning red hot and sizzling. It's the rhythm of nature itself. It's the flow of rivers bursting from their banks. It's the mist of clouds hanging low in the sky. It's the breath of air so fresh it will burst your lungs. It's a long, vibrating, pulsating, trembling solo that shakes the rafters and eats right into the soul and pulls us along. Every one of us. It pulls us down a jaggy, jazzy road and drops us off on a precipice that looks out past life and death and into the womb of eternity itself. Musicians, instruments, amplifiers, and empty pitchers of beer. I felt like I was back on a train flying down the tracks. Clackety-clack! The steel wheels churned against the iron rails with an incessant beat. Over and over it repeated. The wheels, the tracks, the clacks, it kept going and going, pushing on and on. And it was as if I was crossing the prairie again. We were rolling and tumbling. Destination nowhere, and headed there fast. We were chasing gophers around the bend, throwing open the windows and doors, feeling the wind blowing off the plains. That's right. This train is gonna blow its whistle all night long. So grab on, people. We're gonna ride this train to the end of the line. You know, the Black Crow flies on Sunday. You hear what I say? The Black Crow flies on Sunday, not just any day. You better look out, people. Black Crow coming this way. The guitar was playing sevenths, the bass was slapping back. The piano was comping minor chords and the drum was pushing track. I cupped my hands around the harmonica and growled into the microphone like a banshee in a meteor storm. I hit a note that I didn't know existed. It blasted from the bottom of my toes, up my legs, through my spine, and right off the top of my head. And I pushed that note right through the roof. That's right. It tore a hole in the ceiling and kept going and going until it blasted clear into outer space. Yeah, 10,000 miles from nowhere. 20 light years from home. I'm 10,000 miles from nowhere, 20 light years from home. Won't somebody help me? I got nowhere to call my own. Oh, the nightlife, baby. There's nothing like it.